Planning to visit Osaka, Japan? Here are the top 5 must-see spots you shouldn't miss. Osaka is a charming, relaxed city, best known for its food, fun and nightlife, with some history and culture peeking through. Osaka is only a short Shinkansen ride from Tokyo, but has a very different personality to Japan's capital city. From its bustling markets to tranquil parks, there's always something new to discover. So, get ready to embark on an unforgettable journey in the heart of Japan. Starting our countdown at number 5, we have the iconic Tsutenkaku Tower. Rising majestically above Osaka, this tower is steeped in history and offers a stunning panorama of the city. Step into the past as you learn about its reconstruction after the Second World War. Marvel at the dazzling neon lights and soak up the bustling atmosphere of the surrounding Shinsekai district. And don't forget to make a wish at the Bilikan Shrine, the deity of things as they ought to be. So, for a bird's eye view of the city, make sure the Tsutenkaku Tower is on your list. Moving on to number 4, we find ourselves in the bustling streets of Dotonbori. This lively district pulsates with the heartbeat of Osaka, echoing the city's vibrant nightlife. From the tantalizing aroma of takoyaki wafting from street food stalls to the neon glow of shopping areas, Dotonbori offers an intoxicating blend of sensory delights. Whether you're a foodie, shopaholic or night owl, this place has something to tickle your fancy. For a taste of Osaka's energetic spirit, don't skip Dotonbori. At number 3, we have the magnificent Osaka Castle. Standing as a testament to Japan's rich history, Osaka Castle is a sight to behold. Built in the 16th century, it's a symbol of power and fortitude. Its grandeur is only amplified by the serene surrounding park, which blossoms into a riot of color in cherry blossom season. It's not just a castle, it's an immersive journey into the past. Don't forget to climb up to the main observatory for a panoramic view of Osaka. Experience a slice of history at the spectacular Osaka Castle. Coming in at number 2 is the thrilling Universal Studios Japan. This cinematic wonderland is a dream come true for movie buffs and thrill-seekers alike. From the gravity-defying rides of the wizarding world of Harry Potter to the heart-pounding Jurassic Park River Adventure and the new Super Nintendo World are all worth exploring. Not to mention the Minion Park, the largest of its kind in the world, is a must-visit for all Despicable Me fans. For an adrenaline rush and a day of fun, Universal Studios Japan is the place to be. And finally, the number 1 must-see spot in Osaka is the mesmerizing Osaka Aquarium Kaiyukan. This awe-inspiring aquarium is like stepping into another world, home to an array of marine life from the Pacific Rim. You'll be captivated by the vibrant colors and graceful movements of these underwater creatures. With multi-level immersive exhibits, you'll feel as if you're exploring the depths of the ocean yourself. It's an experience unlike any other, truly a testament to the beauty and diversity of our planet's oceans. Dive into the underwater world at the stunning Osaka Aquarium Kaiyukan. There you have it, the top 5 must-see spots in Osaka, Japan. A quick recap: Tsutenkaku Tower, Dotonbori, Osaka Castle, Universal Studios Japan, and Osaka Aquarium Kaiyukan. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more travel tips. Safe travels and see you in the next video.